Hey there! You want to learn to use SOLIDWORKS Move or Copy Bodies features? Let me show you how. Okay, so let's sketch a rectangle on a right plane. Now let's label its dimension. Now we will be tapping on the extrude button and extrude our sketch. And there you have it, a rectangular cube. Now using moving or copy body features, just search it on the search bar and
here we are. For our reference, just tap on the subject. And now, it's asking us on how many quantity are we going to fill with. For this time, we just want one. And there you can move the body out of the reference. And there you go. You have a two-figure of rectangular cubes, and now go back into the search bar and find Move or Copy Bodies features. There.
And then now tap on the figure that we want to move. The edge of the leftmost part of the box, as the same to the other box, and tap Anti-Align. Going back to the top and tap Add, and then tap that and that face, and then add them. There you go.
Then for it to be perfectly aligned, tap the body, the width of the rectangular cubes, and there
we have it.
That is how you use the moving or copy bodies feature in SOLIDWORKS. Thank you for watching.